Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this creative Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to apply fill effects to text in Word to make your titles, headings and designs look more stylish and professional. Text fill allows you to add solid colors, gradients, textures and picture effect inside your text, perfect for posters, certificates, banners, thumbnails and creative documents. So let's get started. We can see here assignment. Now I want to make the fill of text. Go to the blank page, then go to the insert menu, then here the WordArt, click any. Now I am select this, then write anything. Now I am write my channel text, like you can write anything. Now I am write backspace, then select the text, press Ctrl A, go back the home menu and increase the font size. Then we change the color of the fill, go to the format menu, click the shape fill option, choose the color. Now I am select the color, here the text fill. Now I change the fill color, you can see. Go back again that and change the color, you can make it black, red, etc. Now we can see we change or add the text fill color very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.